umthetho wase-South Africa uvumela uCheckers ukuthi uqashe umuntu wangaphandle, especially ngisho abethi une-passport ngisho abethi unani ngoba ngifuna uyichaza kahle. Sinenkinga la yokuthi abantu bangaphandle ibona abahamisilamazwe abo baqhamuka ithuthuthi vele sebeyakwazi ukuzigibela. Ave yona ngiphutha lethu lelo. If uCheckers ufuna abantu base-South Africa bagibele ithuthuthi, thina siyijwayele. uCheckers awufundisa abantu bakithi ukugibela. Ngibona ivideo ku-TikTok, mhlawumbe khona bayibona le video. Kukhona umuntu oyenza i-interview ebuza umuntu wa-Checkers ukuthi bahola malini. Washo imali enkulu nje ngibona ukuthi kuyaphileka ngale mali. Yabo kahle nje kamhlophe. Wase yambuza lo muntu ukuthi owakephi. Yathi indoda isuka eBurundi. Usuka eBurundi uze la uhamba u2 or 3 days uzufike la. Wathi seyibuza le ndoda ukuthi ifike wathi 6 months ago. ISouth Africa njengamanje ihleli number 1 ezwe emhlabeni wonke jikelele kwi-unemployment. Ithina lizwe elihamba phambili elinganayo imisebenzi kudlula yonke amazwe emhlabeni wonke. Kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi uCheckers ufuna umuntu eBurundi ozojayiva isithuthuthi lesi engakufundisa abantu bakithi ukujayiva isithuthuthi? Sayilungisa leyo, right? Sayilungisa leyo. Laba bhuti bethu yabona ukuthi kanjani mina bhuti wa-Checkers ngikhathele ukudiliva uCheckers izandla ey'ngcolile ezimnyama. Ney'thuthuthi zabe ziklini bukani ithuthuthi. Angeke sikwazi ukuthi njalo kufanele uqale ufike ekhwapho before uthole ukudla. Sesikhathele ngesami sikhathele. Sicela abantu bakithi basebenze. Abangakwazi ukugibela ithuthuthi nizobatshela. Ngiyakwazi. Ingathile one person driving, 2 person running kudela nenza lento kuyenziwe la.
Akwazi.
Ikhubeni weklini kanje. Ikhubeni uhloniphe umsebenzi. Ikhubeni ihloniphe naye. And imali yethu iyaphileka ngayo. Kakhulu nje futhi. Asikhathele ngafanele emalokishini. Ingoba abafana bahlele emalokishini abangenzi lutho.
Thina liyabo.
Abantu bakithi sicela ukuthi basebenze. uCheckers 66 uzobaqasha abantu bakithi nezwe.
Yebo.
Uma ngiyangizwa sithini. Kuphela nje noma sizoba noma inyanga.
Ayikele. Sikuba khulu inyanga.
Laleleni phela. Kufanele sibandike inyanga yokutrain abantu bese abatrain abantu bakithi ngoba akwazi mina ukuthi abaqhubeke baphula umthetho. Namhlanje sobacela ukuthi labantu babo bangala amaphephe behambe. Okay. Njengamanje bakhona labazosayina le memorandum esishoyo, right? Imali bazowakhipha. Phela ngoba silazi uzonegotiate. Right? So mina ngifuna ningenzele yona. Ngibona nina nibe mntwana wobhuti bethu engabaklina bawuthanda umsebenzi. Alright. Nibe nibatraina-ke nangey'thuthuthi zenu bathola ama-license. Bakhona banaba-right. Okay. Sesivumelene vele ukuthi next week siyeza. Sizoyenza sure ukuthi leyo process yenzeke. Ngoba manje nathi sebevumile umanagement ala ekhaya ukuthi uzodala nabo next week siqale process. Alright. So namhlanje besizobazisa nje ukuthi baphula umthetho. Sicela baye kuphula umthetho. Asiceli, asinegotiate besizosho. Right? Asibuzi. Kunjalo nje. Akuxoxisa into nomthetho phakathi ayixoxisa. Njengoba nathi singesikwazi ukungena la sifike sizoyezibhidliza sifike senze ini ngoba umthetho awuzivumeli. Yabo? Njengoba nathi besimasha bekumele sihlala phansi si-aplaye. Yabo? Senza ama-self-limiting siwuhloniphile nathi umthetho. Yabo? Ngoba if bethi phela bona bafuna ukuhlonipha umthetho should nathi asingawuhloniphi umthetho. Lento yokuhlonipha umthetho ikanje. So nathi siyathanda ukusebenzisana nohulumeni senzeni sihloniphe umthetho. Kodwa nohulumeni awenze njani? Awuhloniphe umthetho. If umthetho uthi umuntu wangaphandle akufanele aqashwe owase-South Africa ekhona okwazi ukwenza lo msebenzi, awuhlonishwe umthetho. If uthi umthetho umuntu wangaphandle olapho ngemthetho kufanele adeportwe, awuhloniphe umthetho. Besizobika lokho, asixoxe bakwethu, asinegotiate. Amaphapha phansi beke siyenzekile. Asizile ukuzonegotiate abantu besobatshela. Right? Mina nje umuntu ukuthi kulungise ubhuti bethu ukuthi bazosebenza. Ayikho nje leyo. Siyabonga. Akekho ozoxoxa la. Okhona wablokwayo. Okay, siyoxoxa leyo nto manje. Akekho umuntu ozoblokwa kusakhona umuntu wangaphandle la. Nayi bese-South Africa sengiyivala nje. Yekani uqashisa abantu bangaphandle endlini.
So we're standing outside the home of one of the artists who we had given thanks and acknowledgement to on the 30th of June, Pastor Mjosti. So on the 30th of June, he was one of the artists that we said has shown his support to March and March. And then today I got a call from him in the morning saying that, you know, there's been an incident here. So his sister had been going to a church which was run by a man from Burundi, and that church was eventually closed. When the church was closed, she was going to another church, but now this pastor from Burundi started calling her after hearing us acknowledge him at the March and March, and asked her why is her brother supporting March and March. To which she explained that obviously he's an old man, he can support whoever he wants. And then after that, the man showed up in the wee hours of the morning and stabbed her 43 times, if I'm not mistaken, it's 40 plus times, and as well as their little daughter here. So she's currently in hospital under intensive care, but also the guy was caught thanks to the neighbor who was very brave and ran after him and went to call the police. This guy is a guy from Burundi. He came into South Africa, God knows as what, but he started a church, and apparently that church was closed down. After the church was closed down, he then became a car guard. But this particular man is also a soldier, trained soldier. So he was in the country walking around doing God knows what to survive. And today he's absolutely destroyed a family and stabbed a woman 40-something times just because that woman is related to someone who supports March and March. And we're not going to have that, because we're not supposed to have such people in our country in the first place. But our government has subjected us to such people who are soldiers, trained soldiers in their own country, coming to our country and doing all of these things. So, yeah, we're still praying that she recovers. And yeah, I'm going to say it in Zulu now because I know some people will complain. But namhlanje sila ngaphandle kwasekhaya la Pastor Mjosti. Okomunye abantu kwathi ngomhla 30 kwaJune sibonga ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi akhulume ngeMarch and March nangokubaleka ukuthi izwe lethu likwazi ukuthi limele ngaphandle kokuthi lingenwe abantu bangaphandle bezogcwala la. Usexa njalo usisi wakhe uPastor Mjosti wase eseyabuza ke oseyathola ikhole ebuzwa umfundisi wakhe ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ubhuti wakho abe kulezi zinto zeMarch and March ngoba phela wena ubhuti wakho uyicelebrity kumele ngabe umuntu neutral. Wathi ke usisi angazi phela ngoba ubhuti umuntu naye umdala uyakwazi ukwenzela inqumo zakhe. Wathi kusanjalo ke wasuka ke umfundisi lo wafika namhlanje kuseni ngekhathi nje zentatha kusa wangena endlini mayengena endlini aqale amgwazi usisi. Anginayisho ukuthi 40 how many times noma 42 noma 43 kodwa kulako 40 something ikhathi amgwaze zona. Ngizoyifaka ke ne video izolandela nje la ukuze niyibonele ukuthi into ebhlungu kangakanani. Kodwa nje siyabiza amaphoyisa, sibiza nohulumeni ukuthi uzoyilungisa le ndawo. Ngoba kwazi ukuthi izwe lethu kuhamba kucala uzwe bonke abantu laba basuka amazweni abo ba amasosha atrainiwe kuze kulimala abantu bakithi ngenxa nje yokuthi bamele iqiniso. Ngimhlungu kakhulu ngalento eyenzekela. I think futhi ngiyathandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu asipha amandla ukuthi sidlule kulobu bunzima esibhekane nabo ngoba siyakhala nje sikhala ngayo lento ukuthi abantu bokufika la asibazi nokuthi bobani baqhamuka kuma background abanjani. Abaningi babo siyabazi basuka emakhaya nodlame amazweni anodlame kodwa uhulumeni wathi azange uzusivikele kuleyo nto. So leli gazi leli lapha lalosisi nolingani yakhe lelapha yani sezandleni lahulumeni wethu. Uwona okumele uwenze sure ukuthi labantu bayaphuma ezweni lethu ngokusheshsha ngoba sazi ukuthi njengoba kusisi kaMjosti nje namhlanje kusasa kuzokuba. And siyanicela ama South Africans manicabanga ukuthi lempi incane akobe niyabona ukuthi inkulu kangakanani ngoba namhlanje ibona kusasa ngase kubo wena and west mhlambe kusasa kuba ngisho ingane zakho ungasekho wena awuzange uyisukumele uyilwele kulempi esibhekane nayo. Labantu abangasibona bala efana ngaba bekho la abahambe.